Okay. So, here's our notes today. This first side should be a little bit of a review. We learned this stuff before, so we're just going to kind of sharpen up. I think they flipped it somewhere. Alright? But we'll worry about that later. Alright, so let's take a look at this first one. This is an example. Let's take a look at what we did here, right? How do you get from 3 to 6? Yeah, you times it by 2. So we don't know the number down here, so we know we times by 2, so we're going to take 4 times 2 to get x. So x equals 8, right? We've learned this before? Alright. Now on the right side, I'm not sure if you guys have done this before.
I've done it.
Cross multiplication, we've done this before?
Yeah, I've done it.
Okay.
I don't know about them, but I've done it.
So we take 3 times x, and we take 4 times 6. Right? 3 times x is what?
3.
3 what?
3x.
3x. What's 4 times 6?
24.
24. So now we just have an equation, and we can solve this. How do we solve this?
24 times x. 24 times 3.
Nope, not times.
Oh, divide.
We divide by 3. Alright? So 3 divided by 3 is just 1. What's 24 divided by 3? 8. So are those the same? Yeah, so either way it works. But we're going to practice both ways today. Okay? So now on number 2 here, I go from 4 to 12. How? What do I do to go from 4 to 12?
Times it by 3.
Yeah, we times by 3.
Why don't you do it the other way and divide it?
Could, but we don't know why. So to go from 3 to y, we need to take 3 times what? 3. The same thing we just did. So 3 times 3 equals x. What's x?
9.
Yeah, x is 9. That's right. All right, now we're going to do the same problem. We're going to cross multiply.
Can I borrow a pencil?
Yep. Oh, you know where they are on that back table there?
Why don't you go get him one? You always gave me one.
This one?
You don't want, no, go get one of the big ones on the back there.
Oh!
I'm teaching Caleb. I don't have time to go walk back there. Just one, Landon. What are you doing?
Oh, Wolverine!
He's trying to find
Let's
the
go.
colored one.
Grab one and let's get to work.
Oh, wow, this one. Why is it so greasy? It's disgusting. You're the one who picked it.
Yeah,
Oh, my
you-
goodness. This is like...
All right, sit down, Landon.
Hold on, let me wipe it off.
All right, so now cross multiplying.
That's disgusting. Landon took me.
We're going to take 4 times y, which gives us what?
4y.
4y. And then 3 times 12.
It's like nasty grease.
What's 3 times 12?
I need to sharpen it. Hold on.
Whole world's just got to wait on Landon.
36.
It is 36. So now what do we have to do to solve this equation?
Multiply.
Multiply.
Divide.
We have to divide. Divide by what? If 4 times y, what are we going to divide by? 4.
I don't know, I can't see.
Divide by 4. So what's 36 divided by 4?
9.
9. This was y, I said x over here. But both these y's equal 9. Those are the same again, so we know we're right. For these last two, Landon and Kira, why don't you guys try number 3? Do both of them.
Okay.
And then Caleb and Maddie, you guys try number 4. Use horizontal, vertical, and cross multiplication on both those.
Did I divide by 4?
Where? Yes, this we divide by 4.
Wait, me and Caleb doing number 4?
You're doing 3. You and Kira are doing number 3.
Now I know how Caleb feels when missing flies everywhere.
Hmm?
Oh, when the time we were working in groups, Maddie kept on getting mad at you for hitting her in the face.
Yeah,
Now I see the
that was
purpose, 'cause
so
they keep on-
irritating.
Well, because he keeps on flying back and forth, Maddie, when you're right. See?
Yeah,
Just keep
that's why I had him roll it around.
Maddie, I still roll around like this, and it still flings like that.
Get to work. Get to work. I still think before you leave, you should cut that goatee.
I don't know about that one. If you cut that mullet, I'll think about it.
Oh. Wait, there's no eraser.
Next, or tomorrow I'm coming with my hat.
You can't come into a class without the tab.
Plus Milbrand will be here, so I don't think you want to do that on his first day back.
Oh.
Well, it'd be fun though if you had all your homework turned in.
Oh. And then I gotta pay it something.
You might just leave on vacation again. Yeah, put that down, please.
There, mold's gone.
Put it right down, please.
Now you look like some bald dude. Caleb, when he meets his prime 20 years, he's bald.
I got the first part right, but not the second part.
You just tied it like before.
Landon, was I talking to you?
Yeah? Yeah, easy, Kira. No one needs to get WWE SmackDown, man. This ain't the finals for the championship, though.
My uncle was one of the WWE people.
Was he the guy that snapped his neck?
He died.
Alright, it sounds like we're done.
I just said, was he the one that snapped his neck?
So let's get going back on our lesson. Alright, Kira, do you want to do the horizontal vertical or the...
I want to do the first part.
You want to do this one?
Yeah.
Alright, so what'd you do first? Not you, Landon. Kira. If you were listening, you would have heard me say that.
I did the arrows.
Which way? That way?
It's pointing
From what to what?
12 to W.
Okay.
And then
16 to 4 then? Yeah, how'd you get from 16 to 4?
divide by 4.
Yeah, we divided by 4. So now, to get from 12 to W, we have to divide by 4. What's 12 divided by 4?
3.
It's 3. So W
Yeah.
is 3.
Yeah.
All right, Landon, cross multiplication now. All right, you took W times 16 and got what?
3. Or 4.
W times 16.
Oh, 24. Oh, wait, hold on. W times 16. Yeah, I got 3.
So here we took...
But I'm dividing. Hold on.
You divided? Well, we're cross multiplying here. We're in this
Yeah.
one now. So we can't divide, we have to multiply.
So W times 16 is 16.
16 what?
W.
W.
Can you zoom in?
Yep.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I'm confused.
Okay, when we cross multiply, we just take the top left, we go across. So we take the top left multiplied by the bottom right. We take the bottom left multiplied by the top right. So here we took W times 16, and that's here. And then we take 4 times 12. So W times 16 is 16W. What's 12 times 4 now? Landon, what's 12 times 4? Kira, what's 12 times 4?
Oh, I got it.
48.
It's 48.
Thanks. Now what do I have to do to solve this equation?
Divide 48 by 12.
Not 12.
What's the little dot?
16.
16. That's just pen bleeding. So we have to divide by 16. What's 48 divided by 16?
Oh, I know. Hold on. I actually know. Please don't say that. I got this. I got this.
I like 3.
It is 3.
Kira?
All right. Caleb, you want to do the horizontal vertical
Can I do that one?
or cross multiplication? You want to do horizontal vertical?
I'm doing
Yeah,
the first one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
10. Yes, I did.
Okay, well, we got to say how we figure it out.
Oh,
Can
I
I do
did
that?
times 2 on the other side.
Okay.
That equals 10.
So times 2 here. So then you have to take 5 times 2.
Yeah.
So 5 times 2 equals Z. And 5 times 2 is 10. All right, Maddie, you want to do the cross multiplication now?
That was, hang on. Well, I really don't.
All right, well, you can help me work through it. How about that? Alright.
I feel like one of those like ventriloquist one, like a feather on the pencil, like.
So first, Maddie, we have to take 5 times 20. We have to take the top left times the bottom right.
Yeah.
What's 5 times 20?
25.
That's plus.
40.
It's 20 times 5, guys. We can help out here.
Let's see. I need a.
Oh, here, what's 5 times 2?
That's easy to hunt.
That's 40.
5 times 2.
100. 80.
5 times 2?
100.
5 times 2.
10.
Now add the 0.
100.
100. All right, now we have to take z times 10. What's z times 10?
10Z.
Equals 10z. Now I have 10z equals 100. What do I have to do?
Divide.
By
10.
10. And what's 100 divided by 10?
10.
10. So z is 10. All right. Now let's flip it over.
What?
Back page. Landed. All right. Now on the back side, we're going to use cross multiplication to solve the following proportion problems. All right, so we just worked on cross multiplication. Here's our chart. It says for 5 lemons, they cost $4. For 4 pounds of grape, they cost $10, and so on here. Question number 1 says, how much will it cost for 6 lemons? All right. So first we have 6 lemons. So put a 6 in that top left. Put a 6 up there.
Well, if you take what's $4 for 5, which means each of them divided by, you have to divide it.
All right, let's work through this first. This might. Yeah. So just everybody put a 6 up here. Landon, I'm talking to you because I haven't seen you write it down yet.
I've already wrote it down.
All right. And we have 5 lemons, and we know they cost how many?
$4.
$4. So 5 lemons cost $4. Do we know how many 6 lemons are? How much 6 lemons are? So we're going to put an X here. All right, now can we cross multiply these?
Yes.
Yeah, we can take 6 times 4 equals 5 times X. So what's 6 times 4?
24.
24. What's 5 times X?
5x.
5X. Now what do I have to do to solve this equation?
Divide.
Divide by what? No.
5.
We're going to divide by 5. All right, so what's 24 divided by 5? That'll give us our answer. Oh. 24 divided by 5.
He even left a notch in the table.
Oh my gosh, you did.
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, right there, Chief.
It's like, what is that?
24 divided by 5 will give us our answer, guys. You might have to use your calculators on this one.
That'd be,
24 divided by 5.
that'd be a decimal number.
It would be, but we need to know what.
1 point, like.
No.
I got this one, guys.
Yes, Kira.
You got this, Kira. Don't mess up.
What's your relationship?
Yep.
4.8.
Yeah, $4.80.
Ha, I was right.
That's sad.
All right. That's how much it is for 6 lemons. Now it says, right? Okay, the most important part here, guys, is setting this stuff up. You gotta set it up right. Okay, so 2 says, how much will it cost for 6 pounds of grapes? All right.
Oh,
So over here we have 6 pounds of grapes. And we know 4 pounds of grapes. So over here we're going to put 4 pounds of grapes. Everybody with me so far on that one?
no.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we're looking for 6 pounds of grapes. Do we know how much 6 pounds of grapes cost?
Nope.
So what goes up top?
No.
X, right? We don't know, so we're going to use a variable. We know how much 4 pounds of grapes cost. How much do those cost?
$10.
10, so we put 10 up here. Now we just have to cross multiply again. So what's X times 4?
2 or 4x.
4X. And that equals 10 times 6. So what's 10 times 6?
60.
60. All right, now what do I have to do to solve this equation?
60 divided by 4.
Yeah, we have to divide by 4.
Hot chocolate.
Nope,
Oh, last day you're here?
maybe.
When are you leaving?
Friday.
Right.
Friday this week?
Mm-hmm.
No, you're staying.
Yeah, you
Okay,
can't, no.
guess I'm staying. What's 60 divided by 4, guys?
You're saying no donuts on Friday.
Oh yeah, you got Kira. I'm sorry, but he's gotta go.
Wow.
Thanks, Landon. Gonna miss you too.
Yeah, I will too. But the donuts, I don't think they're gonna be missing anymore.
60 divided by 4.
No, the donuts are gonna. Yeah.
60 divided by 4.
No, you
What are you doing with your phone? What are you doing with your phone?
My iPad's underneath.
Well, get it out.
Well, I needed to grab my iPad and my phone's on my desk.
So 6 pounds of grape costs $15.
My iPad.
If only.
All right, guys. Do you want time to work on your homework?
Wait, we have homework?
Yeah, you always have homework.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Mario.
Uh-huh.
not yesterday.
Oh, yeah, that's what we just worked on it the whole time.
Okay, we can move on.
Okay, so let's get through these last 3, then we can get going on the homework. Wants to know how much will 7 bananas cost? So I'm going to put 7 bananas up top. 7 bananas. And what do we know from our chart?
That five bananas is $6.
Yeah, so on the right, I'm going to put 5 bananas are $6. All right, do we know how much 7 bananas cost?
Hmm?
We do?
No, we
No, we don't. So we're going to put a variable here. Now I got to take
How much does 7 bananas cost?
7 times 6. All right, and I'm going to take 5 times x. All right, what's 5 times x?
5 times x is 5x.
5x. What's 7 times 6?
7 times 6. 36 plus 6.
42.
It's 42.
I was just gonna say that.
All right, now what do I have to do next to solve this one?
Divide.
By what?
42.
Nope,
5.
5. We have to divide by 5. So what's 42 divided by 5?
Hey Siri.
Maddie.
Hey,
I'm not touching
Let
it.
Caleb get this one.
8.4.
8.4 or $8.40 is how much 7 bananas cost. All right, apples now is the 4th one. I'm looking for 4 apples. Do I know how much 4 apples cost?
Hey Siri, how much does 4 apples cost?
I don't think that's going to help us.
You don't know that.
All right.
Actually, let's see if it works.
No.
All right, once we're done with this, you can go back and check. All right, we know 5 apples cost $8, right, Caleb?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to take 5 times x again.
X or 5x.
That's 5x. And I'm going to take 4 times 8.
4 times 8 is 32.
32. Now what do I have to divide by?
32 times 5.
Divided by 5.
32.
So how much do 4 apples cost?
$4.6.
6.40.
Six.
$6.40.
$6.40. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. But it's $6.40. All right. You okay with that so far?
Yep.
All right. So the last one. Why don't you guys help me set this one up? I'm looking for 10 oranges. So where's 10 oranges gonna go?
In the how much? In the left box.
Up top or below?
Up top.
Yeah. It doesn't really matter if it's up top or below, but as long as you have apples on the bottom and apples on the bottom, that's okay. Okay? If you have banana, yep. If you have bananas up top and bananas up top, that's good. But you can't have bananas up top over here and bananas down low over here. You can't do that. So as long as they're both on the same one, that's okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, Caleb. So if we're working with oranges. If I have oranges up here and a number down here equals oranges and a number, is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, because both oranges are up top, right? If I have oranges down low and a number up top, is that okay?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
Are they both on the bottom?
Yes.
So that's okay. What if I have orange up here on top of a number and a number on top of an orange over here?
No.
Can't do that one.
It's like they're dating.
Right.
Yeah. They have to.
So that one doesn't work. Maybe write this down if that's confusing to you so you have that. Okay?
I'm just confused by all the work. That's
Alright.
so long ago.
Well, let's work through it then. So I have 10 oranges. We put it up top this time. And I know 8 oranges cost $5. So where does 8 oranges have to go up here? Up top or down below?
On top.
On top, because they both have to be on top. So I have 8 oranges up here. Alright. And we know 8 oranges cost $5.
If 8 oranges cost $5.
Do I know how much 10 oranges cost?
No.
So what goes here?
Does?
Variable.
Variable. Now I have to take 10 times 5, because I cross multiply.
50.
It's 50. And I have to take x times 8. What's x times 8?
8x.
8x. So now, Landon, what do I have to divide by here?
50 by 8.
Yeah, we have to divide by 8. So what is 50 divided by 8?
$6.25.
$6.25.
Good job, Caleb.
Alright? We feel okay with that?
What
Yeah.
was it?
$6.25.
Oh man, this pencil really weighs on your hand a lot when you're writing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Why don't